Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today we are going to design a bed which look like this one, and there is a first of all we will design the frame, then the body, frame of the front sides. As you can see, here is here is 5 column in the front size, so we will design it in SolidWorks. So let's begin. First of all, we need to open a new part. It will need some time because my computer is not very high configuration. So here it is. First of all, we need to select a rectangle in Sketch. So we need to select a front plane, normal to. First of all, we design the column of this the 5 column. We need to design 5 columns, so we need to first of all we design the rectangle in that portion, then we will extrude it. So let's do it. Select a center triangle and design a triangle. Give the length of the triangle 1500 millimeter and the width 150. So we need to we need 5 column, so we can do it manually. So one thing, we can see here is the gap between every column, so we also need to give it. So let's go linear sketch pattern and select linear sketch pattern, then go linear sketch pattern and give pattern. Here is some problem we can see here, so we need to increase the distance. So by giving 1500, we can see here is the gap. There is no gap between the rectangle, so we need to increase 10 more, 500 10. So by giving this, we can see here the gap. So there will be, we can count it, there is 1 2 3 4 right rectangle. We need to increase it one more, so we give the 10 gap between those rectangle, sorry. So we need to extrude it. Go to feature, extrude box. So give the extrude box 6500 approximately. It's my assumption, I don't know about the dimension, so let's do it. So we create the 5 column, but one thing more, they not every column is not equal. Middle column is greatest than the other, greater than the other, so we need to decrease the other column height. So we need to remove some material, so let's do it. So select that portion, select that face and go sketch, select convert entity, select that portion, click convert entity, then go feature, extrude card, and give it 900 approximately. I think it okay. Let's do it. Then select that portion, select sketch, click convert entity, then select that portion, click convert entity and go feature, and the side column is shorter than the other, so we need to increase the extrude card double, click OK. So we can see the frame look good, right? That portion of the bed. Now the body part, go this part. First of before making the body part, we need to save it. So go file, save, make a folder, name the folder modern bed, okay. So let's make the body part. Select that face, select sketch, then select corner rectangle, select that corner and make a rectangle in 3 column. Give the width of the rectangle 1500. I think it's okay. Let's make extrude box. Let's make it 6500. I think it's okay. Let's make it 7000 and see. I think that is okay. 6500 is okay. So that is our bed, and we can see here is some blank portion and gap in bed, and there is some design here. So let's go select that face and sketch, select normal too, and make a rectangle from this part. Make a rectangle and small dimension, the distance between every portion 150. 150, 150, and this corner and that corner 150. So we need to cut some material, so let's go extrude cut. Let's make it 150. 150 is not looking good, so we need to, let's do it 400. 400 is not looking good. 500, I think 500 is good. 500 is good. So this is our bed, and we also make this portion also here, because one side, by making one side look bad, so let's make here another rectangle, corner rectangle, and give the distance of every portion 150, 150, it go center, corner triangle, select that face, make a rectangle, gap between the every portion will be 150, 150, and 150. Extrude box also 500. So there is our bed, looking good, huh? So we need to design that portion and the table, that portion, the L size. There, here is L shape, and let's do it. Select that face and normal to, select normal to, make a rectangle here and also here. And keep the dimension 150 and 150. Go feature extrude box, then make it 800. 800 is not looking good. 1000 is also not looking good. 1500 is not looking good also. Let's increase it 100. I think it is okay. So here is our bed, right? So here is our bed. So we need to decrease some material around it. So we need to draw a rectangle here, and keep the gap between every portion. 100, I think 100 is okay. 100, and let's make it 10. Go extrude box, give it 100. I think 100 is okay. Go to, we can see here is some gap, some design, so let's do it. Go select that face and go sketch, go normal to, and make a triangle here and also a triangle here, and give the dimension with the width 10. Also this one 10, and go feature extrude box, keep that one 80. So here is our bed, looking good, huh? So this is the material of this one is steel, so we need to change the material. So go material, edit material, so this is wood, right? So let's give it brush, I think that one is okay. So here is our bed, and we need to give some mattress or other thing below here, so we need to design another mattress and design. So we can make it shortly. So let's select this face and go to sketch, select convert entity, I think here is some defect, so we need to select that one and convert entity. So here is the sketch, we can copy it, so let's make pillow and mattress. So go new part, open and select sketch and center rectangle, select front plane, normal to make a rectangle, give the dimension, give the length of the rectangle 9390, give the width 4320. Okay, extrude box, then make it 5500, sorry. Okay, then change the material, edit material, go to material and edit material. It is foam, right? So go to non-metal, other non-metal. Where is, I can see foam. It must be here. Rubber. Here is foam. So go to this foam, flexible, rigid. So foam, flexible, apply. So this is the foam mattress, right? So let's save it. Go to save. Name this one foam 1. So let's make pillow, new part, go sketch and sketch, select front plane, make a rectangle, keep the dimension 500, let's increase it 7000. So extrude box 5000, make fillet in that one, that portion, select fillet in that portion and that portion. Also increase the fillet size. Change the material, go to non-metal, flexible. So where is our pillow? Let's save it. Form 2, Another thing we need to make a table. So we need to know the dimension of this one, 150, and this one 160. So let's make a table. Go sketch, select rectangle, select front plane, make a rectangle, small dimension. So let's make it 1300, the width 1600. Extrude box, $7,000. Let's save it. Table. So now this is the assemble part. So go to new, click assemble, select part 1 and select insert component, form 1, insert component, form 2, insert component, form 2. So let's mate it. Select that face and that face, and that face. Select mate, click OK. Select that face and that face, select OK. Select that face and that face, click OK. Select that face and that face, OK. Select that one and that one, OK. select that one, select mat, that one, and that one, mat. Here is our bed. So let's change the color of the bed. Go apparatus, appearance, go organic, go wood. Let's give it that one. That one looks good. Let's keep that one. That one also good. So go to assemble part. So here is our bed. So let's keep the foam one, a color. Okay. So here is our bed. So let's render it. Go office render, photo view teams, photo view 360. can go render tools, final render, wait for a little time. There is some graphical issue, so we can render it by clicking final render. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.